Hi, I'm attorney Peter Gough, and welcome to Legal Tip Tuesday. I'm a workers' compensation attorney certified by the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania. I've been practicing workers' compensation for 32 years. I've handled thousands and thousands of workers' compensation cases. And one thing that holds constant in these cases is at some point, the issue of settlement is going to arise regarding your workers' compensation case. Settlements can be for you or not for you at the particular time, but again, it's always going to come up. So it's important to know when the appropriate time to settle your workers' compensation case. Settlement can occur at any time, but it just has to be right for you. It could be during litigation. It could be before your claim has even been recognized. It could be after years of litigation. It could be when you're receiving indemnity benefits. You may even be able to settle a case if you're only receiving medical benefits. So it can arise. But when is it right for you? The most important thing to remember when trying to settle your case is, are you at the point medically where it's the appropriate time to settle your case? So what that means is if your condition is at what they call maximum medical improvement, you're not going to need major surgeries in the future. You're not going to need a lot of physical therapy. You're at a point where you feel you have plateaued medically. Because if you settle your case, the odds are you're going to be settled both your wage loss claims, your weekly checks, as well as your medical benefits. So you want to make sure you're there. Another good time to consider settling your case is if you feel your doctor is going to be releasing you to a certain level of work, whether it be full duty or light duty. Because once you have some type of earning capacity, the insurance company is going to use that to try to get you back to work, to maybe to a job you don't want to do or feel you can't do. So if you feel that you're going to be released to a certain level of work, before that arises, you want to try to discuss settlement of your case. That will, once you basically go back to work, obviously there's not much value left in the settlement of your case. Another reason to settle your case, you're tired of the games that the insurance companies are playing with. You're tired of the harassment. You're tired of the surveillance. You're tired of the adjusters constantly trying to send you to a new doctor to get what they want. So if you're tired of the process and you're really ready to move on with your life, a great time to settle your case. I think that the most important thing is that you're comfortable with the attorney that you're working with when you're discussing settlement. You don't want to get the feeling that you're being pressured into something or doing something before it's time. I'm Peter Gough, and this has been your Legal Tip Tuesday.